Hi everyone. Today we're going to be going over the high fidelity prototype for the OMSCS team project for human-computer interactions. For our candidate, we effectively chose the National Weather Service page to more or less provide recommendations and suggestions on how to improve user experience for the use of the website. First thing we did was effectively we wanted to consolidate and clean up some of the feature functionalities within the website, just reduce the overall need for discoverability so that people can find what it is they're looking for easier. And in that process, we basically built out a landing dashboard that provides links to their various other platform information like YouTube, Facebook, and also Twitter. We have two options on the screen when starting out. We can either use GPS location, granted that you give permissions within your browser, or you can do a manual search. Right? So if we were to just click manual search, we have a landing page which effectively shows the national advisory alerts. And you can just kind of highlight over some of the key areas. In here, we have a flood watch warning that was out today, and then we have basically a fire warning within Florida right now. We have a couple of different filters on the bottom of the screen here. So if we were to click on temperatures, it'll provide a heat map on the different areas within the nation. We also have an interactive radar map as well as a satellite. And in this picture, you could effectively zoom in and navigate and find whatever area you're interested in. For each one of these, we also have the added capability of doing a manual search for many of these pages. And we also have the ability of interacting directly with our within our region of where we would actually want to do a search. So within our high fidelity prototype, we did New Jersey. So if we click on this section, it should take us directly to the corresponding map. Right? So we have our satellite, which corresponds with the national, same with radar, and then temperatures. Each one of these elements effectively update to reflect the corresponding day of the week that you are looking at. We also have a weekly summary, just providing some additional context of what you can expect for the week. Again, built-in search functionality, and we have a back button as well as a home button. So the back button works just like a normal back button. Every step we've taken so far just rolls back one item. If we were to go back to the home page, right, we also have the GPS section, and this basically takes you directly to your location, right? So that's pretty much full circle, the entire application. I'm going to go ahead and cut the recording now. Thank you for joining us today.